Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Google Docs. So there's many ways to do this. Let's jump in and check them out. So if you have not yet subscribed to How to Harbor, you can go ahead and hit that sub button and help us reach 2,000 subscribers. So let's get into it. What we want to do is go up to our menu on the top left. We want to hit insert, and here we will have the opportunity to upload an image from our computer, search the web, or import it from various drives. Let's go and import right from here, and I'm going to import this image. So it's now on our Google Doc, and what we want to do is we want to align it. So let's say we want to put it behind this text, and we want to make sure that the positioning options is a fixed position on page, which means we can actually move it accordingly to our needs and not with the text. So of course you'll see the blocks that are on the points of the image. What you can do is click down and you can resize your image like this. Now if you're going over to the blocks on the left, right, top and bottom, not on the corners, this will resize the image out of aspect ratio. What we want to do additionally is right click, and here we want to look for image options. And once we've clicked on image options, you'll see on the right hand side there are a few options. Firstly, size and rotation. Here you can change the size, so you can just add in perhaps a size, and you'll see that automatically it has changed the height because the aspect ratio is locked. If you don't want your aspect ratio to be locked, you can literally just go unselect lock aspect ratio, and this will now not be locked in an aspect ratio, and it will either stretch your image or crunch it up, as you can see over here, and put it out of proportion. Now if you want to learn more Google Docs tips and tricks, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of amazing content. Go check it out. We'll see you over there. Peace out.